Hello guys, today we're gonna do another ANAFI drone video, and for this solution for your camera drone cap you're gonna need a few tools. First, what you're gonna need is some cutting tool like this, or probably you can use a simple kitchen knife. I don't know, I had this, so I used this one, this simple grinder, which can cut precisely through plastic. Simple marker tool, simple ruler, and main subject of this video is this thing. Total Repair Express Conditioner L-Sieve Double Elixir. I just stole this product from my wife's closet because this cap looks like it fits for the cap of the ANAFI drone. So you can steal it from your wife, your girlfriend, or you can just buy it in the store. I think that this thing costs around 3 or 4 euros, I don't know. And to actually fit it on the drone, I need to cut it. And the best measure for cutting of this thing is like 5 millimeters from the top of it. So I'm just gonna mark the 5 millimeters from the top, cut it, and try to fit it on the camera of my ANAFI drone. So let's go. So there you go, it is probably even more than 5 millimeters. I did it that way because if it's too high I can easily sand it with a sandpaper, so that wouldn't be a problem. I just cut it. Now I'm just gonna clean it of those small chips of plastic. And there you go. Almost done. Now we are gonna try to put it on the drone. Now, as you can see, it still doesn't fit. So we need to do a few more cuts here. So we're gonna do it like this. So now it is a bit flexible. Let's try now. And now it fits. So there you go, guys. This is your ANAFI camera cap. You can probably even paint it with a white paint so that you can see it better if you drop it. And also you can even sand it a bit more here so that it is a bit prettier than this, but you get the point. So guys, I hope that this video was helpful for you and that you find it interesting, and see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.